Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cat litter boxes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Iris Top Entry Cat Litter Box. Iris's cat litter box is easy to clean. The plastic walls prevent litter clumps from sticking to the side, and it's simple to wipe down. The lid also removes easily, creating straightforward access when the litter needs removing. The enclosed design of this box is great for keeping litter and odors contained. Unlike most enclosed boxes, the entrance is on the top, which allows the smells to partially waft upwards, rather than be sealed in. The compactness of this litter box is great for medium-sized cats, but it can be tight for larger felines. This is especially when it comes to the top entry, as the hole is small-ish and the lid can collapse into the box. If your cat has an aversion to crawling through the hole, one option is to use this without the lid. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Purina Tidy Cats Breeze Covered Cat Litter Box. This hooded litter box has a unique breeze system that allows urine to soak into the pad on the bottom while keeping solids on the pellets above. It is easy to clean, and its pellet formula doesn't scatter like normal litter. It also offers privacy for cats who prefer to do the deed away from spying eyes. The hood on this litter box system is easy to remove, making cleaning easy. The soaked urine pads are also easy to throw away, and the pellets are simple to scoop once soiled. At number 3, we have the Petmate Booda Dome Cat Litter Box. The lid on this domed litter box is easy to remove, making cleaning simple. The litter also slides off the inner walls quite easily, meaning there aren't many soiled clumps that stick to the box. However, the lid can be loose and has been known to occasionally fall off when a larger cat is inside. In this case, we advise taping the sides or weighting the lid down. This box retains odors well, owing to its charcoal filter and enclosed design. The stairs are also great for removing additional litter from your cat's furry paws. At number 2, we have the Arm & Hammer Sifting Litter Pan. This box's sifting feature makes it easy to maintain and dispose of kitties' waste. The box itself is also easy to clean with soap and water owing to its simple design. The wall height on this box is average, so you may find that litter scatter is still a bit of a problem. In terms of odor control though, the box is treated with microban for added antimicrobial control. This box is large enough for small to medium cats, but larger ones may struggle to fit in. Petmate's giant litter pan, however, provides a comparable design for bigger cats. And finally, at number 1, we have the PetSafe ScoopFree Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Our premium pick is the self-cleaning litter tray from PetSafe. Its automated rake system pushes solid waste into the waste trap and covers it with odor-catching crystal litter. However, the sound of the motorized rake can scare some felines, so if you're keen on self-cleaning, Omega's silent self-cleaning box may be a better option. This box has an automated rake system that automatically removes waste. It also has sensors that stop the motorized rake if your cat enters the box. The crystal litter formula performs average on the odor control front, but you may find that traditional clay litter works better. The benefits of crystal litter, though, is that it is less messy and doesn't stick to your kitty's paws as much. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.